Court-martial planned for soldier who criticized vaccine mandates. Led march to Ottawa. Philip Millar is representing Mr. James Topp. He's the, as it says here, well-known trial lawyer, former prosecutor and combat officer. Philip Millar is representing military members who say they're being forced out of the military for refusing the COVID shot. He has already successfully sued the Department of National Defense in the past. Philip Millar said the decision represents a second about-face after the military initially offered his client a court-martial when he was charged in February, only to rescind the offer and send his case to Topp's unit commanders. It's hard to know what they're doing because I don't think they really know what they're doing, said Millar. But now they're saying it's a court-martial. The stakes are obviously going to be increased in a public relations context, said retired Lieutenant Colonel Rory Fowler, who is now a lawyer specializing in military law in Kingston, Ontario. While Millar questioned the military's back and forth with his client and said he planned to question the way Topp's charges were handled, he still welcomed the latest decision to allow a court-martial. Millar said he plans to call expert witnesses to question the need and efficacy of the military's vaccine requirement. The requirement imposed by Chief of the Defense Staff General Wayne Eyre late last year remains in place, even though a similar mandate for most other federal public servants has now been suspended. You can see here that the mandates really haven't been dropped for everybody. In this case, for the military, it really hasn't been. It opens the door for us to call witnesses about the decision to charge him, Millar said. So now they're able to bring the witnesses to the stand. It opens the door for us to call experts on whether or not there was any science behind the mandate. This is going to be very interesting. While the shift from a summary trial back to a court-martial means Topp will be afforded an independent trial with legal representation, Fowler said it also means the Army reservist faces potentially stiffer penalties if convicted. I think this is going to be for the best, to be perfectly honest. Why? Because now he's going to have legal representation. You're going to be able to bring experts to the stand. You're going to be able to, this is going to become quite an interesting affair because we're going to really see if we can deconstruct the actual, let's say, science or lack of science that was involved in the mandate. So this is sort of the airing out in the legal and political justice system that we really do need. And this just shows how much that Mr. James Topp has done for us, all of us Canadians, so that something like this never really occurs again. You let me know in the comments. Do you feel optimistic about this? I feel pretty optimistic. So let's go. Bring it to the courts. That's what we need to do. We need to take the legal, peaceful method. You got to use the legal institutions that make our country great, the rule of law, and then you've got to smack people down with the books, the law books. Hail, brethren, hail freedom, and hail the veterans for freedom, as well as Mr. James Topp. Thank you so much.